my great pleasure that I can welcome you on the course and workshop which is oriented on cardiac anatomy. You can see the details here. It is organized thanks to our cooperation with Professor Jan Marek, who brought here the experts from the Great Ormond Hospital from London, and it helps us to show and how to use the modern way of teaching today using the virtual reality. So enjoy it.
So this program will focus on the teaching the students cardiac anatomy and specifically the congenital heart abnormalities using the virtual reality.
I think the thing to emphasize from this workshop are the 3D models. So comparing 2D echo to three-dimensional anatomy and virtual reality is definitely the way to do that.